Okay, it is time to fire up the 7900. Really interested to run this after running the big bore, which I think the coil or something's going on. It's not quite got the power, and every time I run this I remember being blown away. So it's warmed up but hasn't started for a minute, so that's always a good test of a saw. How well does it start when it's in that sort of kind of warm, kind of not thing? But yeah, let's get it going. Let's get some more of these little limbs off. Nice 26-inch Samara bar, and I've just touched up the chain, which is, I think it's probably an Oregon, might be a steel, but it's an Oregon, I think 73 EXL. See how it goes. You have to have them switched on. You are recording. Oh. Well guys, that saw, yeah, it's crazy. So for those of you new to the channel, that is an EA 7900 Makita. It has been muffler modded. I bought it, like a lot of my saws, I bought it blown up and scored. I saved the original cylinder, put an aftermarket piston in it. There's no base gasket in it. So it's very minor mods really. Base gasket delete. And I've opened the exhaust right up. There's a video somewhere short where I've taken out that horrible little, like an old man smoking pipe that's in the middle of the exhaust. And I put some bigger ports on the exhaust. And wow, I cannot wait. Every time I've run that lately, the chain is an out of the box chain. And all I did last night was very quickly just put a raker gauge on it, set some of the rakers. Weirdly, some rakers were bang on and some rakers needed a lot of work. So out of the box, it seems like raker height is variable. And I also very quickly just gave the cutting edge, so the underneath of the top plate, just like 3 or 4 strokes, just to clean it out a little bit. So very little work on the chain, and it really pulls its way through now. That saw's amazing, and just with that 26-inch bar doing this sort of stuff, so nice just to be able to reach for things and do things. So amazing. Thanks for all your views and watches and comments lately. Hello to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for your subscriptions and everything. Hope you're enjoying this stuff. How can you not enjoy this on a beautiful October morning in the countryside, clearing up this blowdown? So thanks ever so much for watching. Tell me what you think about 7900s. Prices seem to be on the rise now, don't they? I think people have realised what they are. And yeah, keep watching for the next video. There'll be a few videos from in here, so keep watching. Loving all your comments and everything, guys. Take it steady. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.